Hey, Sim, it's Albert. So I did run a test on it. Um, I ran a live purchase, and I got it to work just fine. So you could see that I went all the way through to your thank you order form page here. And here, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and do it again. Oh, we can get a second run at it on video here and just double check. So I'm going to select the other product this time. There we go. Here, here. Alrighty. Alright. Let's just go ahead and add in the order bump. Make sure we're good. There we go. Alright, cool. So we also got the order bump in there as well. So you are good to go, my friend. Working. Looks good. Awesome. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and send this out to you. If you have anything else you need some help with, just go and reach out, all right? Thanks.